Hey, it's the Goblin here. I'm going to show you how to make a soundboard in Adobe Flash. Alright, so this is pretty straightforward and I think it's a pretty fun thing to do. Yeah, this is like the 5th or 6,000th take. Um, okay, what we're going to start off doing is we're going to make a button first. So that's pretty fun and easy. So we're going to have a nice big button right here. We can move it around to wherever. So what we're going to do here is we're going to select all of the button. Then we're going to go to convert to symbol. Make sure that it's button. It has to be button. Okay. So just click OK after you pick a name. This one's going to be fuck you number 2. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, it's right in the inventory there. Cool. So now what we're going to do is we're going to right click and we're going to click edit. Then once we click edit, we're going to go ahead and put our text over the button. Well, you have to know what the button's going to fucking be, right? Make sure the text is not the same color as the button. Okay, now that we have that, we're going to go and click down there. We're going to go to the free transform tool, we're going to click on it, and then we're going to fix it all up. That doesn't look exactly right. It looks like Blockbuster Video. That is Blockbuster Video text. Okay. Let's go to Blockbuster Video. I wonder how that place is doing. Okay, now that we have that all set, we're going to go ahead and clone all the frames now. Just like that. Okay, that's pretty nice. Now we're going to go to here. We're going to go ahead and select a slightly darker color for our buttons. We're going to go to the paint bucket tool. Just going to go and give it a look. Now that that's settled, we have to do something else. Now we have to go into Audacity. So I already have the sound file I want. I just have to edit it. So what we're going to do is we're going to open it with Audacity. We're going to, you notice that I just have to amplify it. This is nothing. So then we're just going to go ahead and test it.
Fuck you.
Okay, that's good. But we want it to be more instant. So we're going to click there. And we're going to... Oh, stop it. Stop it.
Fuck you. Will you keep up?
That was neat. Okay, so let me make sure I get
Fuck
this.
you.
God damn it. Okay, there we go. Right there. We're going to go ahead and go to edit, clip boundaries, split, or could you just control I. Select the list basically, and hit delete. Just gonna delete some more. Now we're gonna...
Fuck you.
just get rid of some more stuff. Oh, whatever, that's fine enough. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and export the audio, and we have to choose 16-bit, otherwise it's not gonna work. Just trust me on that, I've already tried a million times. Okay, now that we have it saved, we have to figure out where the fuck we just saved, where the fuck we just exported to. So export audio again. Project fuck you. Okay, perfect. I know where it is now. It's in project fuck you. Perfect. Okay. Let's test it out.
Fuck you.
Okay, perfect. There we go. Perfectly done. Okay, now we just have to... I'm gonna move this window into another monitor. Okay. You just go ahead and drag the file right here. And then we'll have another fuck you. And then we're just gonna go ahead and drag it right into this picture right here. This is the last frame. Make sure it's the last frame. It's very important for the hit part. Now that that's all settled out, let's go ahead and test it. So what we're gonna do is gonna save it, save our hard work, right? And we're gonna go to export. Now we're gonna go to publish. Publish preview. We're gonna do Flash because I'm not opening it in HTML. I don't care if it sounds a little shitty quality. Oh yeah, and you get to see all that shit up there. Oh, okay. Is it gonna actually do it, or is it gonna? Okay, cool. So let's go with the first one. So this. Is my friend back? Nope. Just some homies hitting me up. Yeah, I actually met, when you saw that picture frame there, that was an internet friend from, like, New Jersey. We actually met up because her and her dad were touring around the States. She got to spend the night, We got to have a little fun. God, has my mic been all the way up there this whole time? Well, time to test the video and judge it. See if it's ready. Yeah, that's okay. Oh, hell yeah! Look at that! Oh, hell yeah! That's a good dog right there. Oh man, forgive me, but I'm just having a damn fine day today.